Good morning and welcome everyone to this tutorial where I will be showing you how to delete your Tinder account in case you want to delete it, as a lot of people want to get rid of it. Everyone wants their account closed forever and not be open and not be visible. So that being said, this is exactly what I'm going to teach you how to do it, how to close your Tinder account. Let's open the Tinder app, which I will assume you have as you want to close it. So this is the Tinder. Now you will have to reach your profile from the bottom right corner, and now you will locate a gear icon in the top right corner. Let's hit that gear icon. Now it's very straight and forward. It's not very complicated. Just scroll down until the slide bar reach the bottom of the settings, and here the last setting which you have is delete account. Let's hit on that, and Tinder will ask you to choose between pause my account and delete my account. If you press on delete my account, which I want to press, let's see, are you sure you want to delete your account because something is broken? I met someone, I don't like Tinder. Yeah, just choose a random thing if you don't want to be specific. Submit a feedback. I prefer other dating apps, or however, continue to account deletion. Let's press on that, and now yes, I'm sure I want to delete my account. Press on delete my account, the red button. Account deleted. Your Tinder account has been deleted. Press OK, and your account will not be visible from now on for other users, and you can have a peace of mind that your Tinder account has been closed forever. So this is how to do it, and I really hope I was being helpful with this guide. Don't forget to thumbs up the like button, and please have a wonderful day out there.